All right, how is it going here? So today I went ahead and built a to-do list using the Sinatra framework with Ruby. So let's go ahead, we'll take a look at it. Uh, I could basically call it do work, a to-do list. We'll just go ahead, we'll click sign up. You can go ahead, you can create an account, you can create a list, you can create tasks in that list, multiple lists, multiple tasks, delete them, so forth. It's pretty user-friendly, so right now I'm just going to show you what it's like to create a list. So we'll just say username is Josh, password is my last name. And over here is just some of the code basically, so you can just see kind of the layout of what everything looks like. So right now here it pulls up to what would be basically a view of the list. As you can see, there's no list right now, so we'll just go ahead, we'll create a list. So we'll say list groceries, grocery list, groceries, we'll just say grocery. Give it a sec. Tell you what, these old MacBook Pros go so slow. All right, so got the grocery list here. If we want to go ahead and add a task, we'll just click add task. Create a task, we'll say get milk. And then if you have other lists, it'll go ahead and pull up where some other lists are. For this example right now, we're just going to put this in the grocery list. Click create. It's going slow, but it's going. All right, so there, these are other tasks I've already added to this, just kind of as an example. So basically, though, we'll just go ahead, we'll click View Lists. That way you can just see what it looks like. So there we got that grocery list again. We'll have some of the tasks listed, added to it that I went ahead and added earlier. Boom, get milk. Then we can edit the name there if we want to edit. This is going to edit the grocery name. Just want to show as an example. So once we get here, as you can see, you can update the list. If you want, we can just go ahead and delete the list in its entirety. Let's just do that just to do it. Boom, see, list is gone. Now we'll go ahead, we'll just create a task from the beginning just to see how that works. What we'll do is we'll create the task and then we'll add the task to a list. You know what, we need to create a list first. Totally forgot about that since I just deleted it. Alright, so let's create study list of things we need to study. Alright, boom. So then we'll create a task and we will add, we'll say study Rails, study the Rails framework, and then we'll add that to the study list. Study, boom, create. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty simple. There's not much to it. I might later on go way back in and add up some more. Yeah, see this, I went ahead and added everything. So that's all the tasks that are pulled up there. But you'll see what I'll do is we'll view the list, and it'll show specifically like that the Rails framework is in the study group there. Study. But yeah, I might go back in and add some, see, boom, Rails framework. I might go back in and add some color to this, maybe edit some of the text and make it a little bit bigger, give it a different font. This font I pulled off of Google, the Google fonts, and just plugged the URL into my layout here. So boom, it's the shadows into light. I just thought it looked a bit better than I don't know, for if you were doing a to-do list, because if with a normal to-do list you would just write it out. But yeah, that is my to-do list. So yeah, thanks for watching there. If you want to see more about this, you can check out my GitHub, github.com/JoshNevius. So yeah, thank you so much.